Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia Ever Blessed. Now, Marcia is going down memory lane. She's talking about when she come to Jamaica, what she eats, like the breadfruit and the curry chicken back. She can't leave that out. So she's talking about tell her sister that she should cook the curry chicken back and the other stuff on the wood stove. As you know, it's better on when you cook it on the wood fire, on the wood stove, it tastes a bit better. It tastes really, really better than cooking it on the stove itself. So she's going down memory lane. Just catch a video and enjoy.
Love you. Yeah, he tell you bone food, and if you give me little food, make sure you give me the back part of the chicken. Me not love the fleshy part. I give him a little something. So let it be known. Me don't know about nobody else, but I love my chicken back. Yeah, man, I love my chicken back. All of me I got Jamaica year time. The first thing me call my sister a country. Me say, Claudette, cook some curry chicken back for me and roast breadfruit. Me say nothing sweet, so me nah hacks, And when they go to country and get them nice little turn breadfruit, and my sister can cook up, And when you put it, me tell her, me don't want it on no stove. Me want it on the coal fire, the wood fire out the door. And that me want it, me don't want no damn gas, nothing. And when they cook up a little corn, pork and all and start something there, me I tell you, them they something they sweet to us, I tell you. That's the only thing that work at Jamaica for. Little something. I come to the cockroach understanding. Some of you bumbo haters out there. I talk about from me other day say, me nah big up Jamaica enough. Me a hang out with Trini. I fool no business. Me hang out with who me want hang out. And but me go on like say me in a Jamaica no more because I play calypso music me I play. I feel cockroach business. Me love calypso music before me come to Jamaica. Before me left and come a foreign, I look up it, me love calypso music. Not because me play calypso music in my house. Calypso music is full of vibes. And it is the best music to do exercise. So not because uno hear me in my house I play calypso. Uno non-emancipated Negroes. Uno ever see me switch? Say me no Jamaican? Me there as far as in a Europe. Netherlands, all over for my cruise dinner. And me have my Jamaican kerchief I take picture. What not talk about? What you mean say we not just so what happened? Did I come into this world to chat to one culture? Let me tell you this rascal here. Let me tell you this. I am here for who is with me and treat me good. I saw me a role. And all the Trinidadians and all the Barbadians that I have met in my life, Sister Elaine, other people that I met in my life, they treat me very well. They treat me very well. And that don't have nothing to do with me when I'm in my house playing my calypso music. It's only them alone. It's only them, the Caribbean alone, that make calypso music. Jamaican people don't make calypso music too. Me want to know. Jamaican don't make calypso music. So you can't tell me what I love. A calypso music me love. You hear them a play one cockroach nothing good boy, yeah? You tell me. Do you hear them play nothing good about ya? Them a last days music here. What them a play? A music them there? Eh? You ever hear calypso music I broke nobody neck? You ever hear calypso music and 90s music I make you jump out a tree and broke your neck? Look how much girl broke them neck and kill themselves a yard. If you dance to them at 90s, them at 2000 music here. You ever see nobody dance calypso? And Barry Saman, Dennis Brown, Elton Ellis and broke them neck yet? You ever hear them the music nobody a push up back in the caca-clat? Eh? You ever hear nobody have music where them a tell us if you drink insure and spit it out, make it come through your nose and spit it in something? You ever hear the music that when me a play make you not turn yourself in a rotty clot idiot? Eh? I listen to music that is going to entertain me and make all of my body them wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I tell you. So I phone a business. I've talked to who I want to talk to. Me go on a Trini boat ride to London. I was the only Jamaican on that boat ride. And I was the only one who took a flag. So no kiss my Ross. I tell you. I tell me. No can kiss my cockroach. I tell you that. So me don't know what I talk about. Then I will represent. Not even the bumbo people in my yard not even represent Jamaica like me. I tell you. Not even the people them. Not even the people them with that Jamaica don't even chat about Jamaica like me. From me know myself on social media, I wear Jamaican color. I always represent Jamaican color. So me no understand all of a sudden now me I play too much calypso. Me hanging out with Trini. I said I hang out with who I want to hang out with. Me no rotty Jamaican, I'm American. Get that now, the rotty dead. I am an American, I tell you. Hello. I said I ain't no Jamaican. I'm a kinfolk done. I'll tell you right now. I ain't no Jamaican, you know. I just lived down there for the first time. I came back up here and I live in America now. You know, my mama she born me right here and I went to Jamaica when I was 5 years old and I came back up here and I just stayed with my hand. So I don't know what you're talking about. You ain't no kinfolk to me. Who you come talking to? Do I tell you that all the time? I sure did. I sure did. I tell you something. I sure didn't tell you nothing. Did I tell you that? Do I look like a Jamaican? Do I speak like Jamaican? I don't speak Jamaican. Do you ever heard me talking about Jamaican language? I never talked Jamaican language before. You understand? I'm from down south. I'm from North Carolina. You understand? It's my mama. My mama best friend. I went over to her house and I heard her speaking the Jamaican language. I catch my language from there. I ain't no Jamaican. What are you talking about? So I talk to anybody who I don't want to talk to. I tell you that right now. You understand? I just love reading Jamaican people. I catch language. That's all I do. I tell you. So I don't care what anybody would say. So I ain't a Jamaican. I'm from North Carolina. You understand? I'm from North Carolina. So you get that in your head. I'm from North Carolina. I ain't a Jamaican. Do I look like Jamaican to you? You see, my mama best friend. You know, my mama, she best friend about 10 years ago. And she took me to Jamaica one time. You understand? And because I went down there when I was like 2 years old, and they forgot my birth paper. So they took my birth paper. They took me to Spanish Town, the place. I think it's like Spanish Edge or Spanish Town or Spanish something. And they got me a Jamaican birth paper. But I ain't no Jamaican. I sure ain't no Jamaican. I'm from North Carolina. I was born in North Carolina. You understand? Do you understand me? Do you hear the motherfucking word that come out of my mouth? You understand? So that is the reason why people talking about I'm Jamaican. Because, you know, they trick me. You know, the Jamaican government, they need to know that they gave me a fake birth paper. A fake birth paper. But I'm going to change right back to my American paper right now. I tell you right now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you know, I don't even know what I'm drinking. I think I'm drinking some oxtail and curry goat soup. Oh, did they have a soup called curry goat and oxtail soup? I said something like that. I don't even know what I'm eating. You understand? I sure don't know what I'm eating. But I'm eating something Jamaican. You know, I'm telling you that right now. You see, my cousin folk, she told me, you know, to get some chitlin and some cornbread, and she said, don't eat no Jamaican food. Cause girl, if you eat the Jamaican food, you'll be stuck and then you'll be talking Jamaican. That's what happened. Cause you know I like Jamaican food. That's what happened. I tell you. So you ain't gotta complain. Talking about I'm a Jamaican. Do I look like Jamaican to you? I'm from North Carolina. My kinfolk be down there, and I sure be going down there to live down there. I ain't gonna live in no country cutting up that time soon. You understand? So I tell you that right now. So you ain't gotta come up here and talk about she Jamaican. Do I look Jamaican to you? I sure don't.